Hello, everybody. What's up? This is Mad Mike, and yet another Walt Life unboxing to to unbox. I received this package the other day. By the way, thank you to my subscribers. Remember, if you're not a subscriber yet, please hit that subscribe button. And also, I know some people out there feel that getting the vaccination is kind of weird, but I've got mine. There's one of my stickers right there that I got from Fair Park for getting the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine. Whether or not you get the vaccine, that's up to you, but I totally think it's worth it, but that's just my opinion. So we are going to, on that note, we are going to unbox this Walt Life unboxing. And so let's see what we got here. Oh, sweet. We got some Star Wars Jelly Bellies featuring Kylo Ren. I know what I must do, but I don't think I have the strength to do it. Well, I have the strength to eat these. That's cool that they sent that. Oh, isn't this cool? Mickey Mouse sunglasses. Celebrating 90 years of Mickey Mouse. And I love that on the back. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I would really wear these though. I don't know. Might have to, I might wear this on my Disney trip, but maybe that's about it. Disney. Oh, and I got a Mickey Mouse ring. That's pretty neat. Alright. And the best, I must confess, I saved for last. And I think that's it as far as the stuff goes, but I got Minnie on one side and I got Mickey Mouse on the other side. That's pretty cool. 1928, the year that Mickey and Minnie both debuted in Steamboat Willie. Cool. Gosh, oh my. That's pretty cool. It's got their little icons and stuff like that. Pretty neat. I like it. Alrighty. Sorry, had an itch right here, not up here, up here. Alright, guys, that's my Walt Life unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time.